Welcome back to SacredBox. In this guide, we'll explore the customer dashboard section and showcase all the features available to you. After a successful login, you'll be directed to the My Bookings page, where you can use the tabs to view your bookings based on their status. To access more details about a specific booking, simply click on the edit icon. This will display the full booking details. If you wish to return to the booking list, just click the back button. If you need to make amendments to a booking, such as cancelling it, simply use the menu button on the details page. For further information, please refer to our payment terms and membership agreement. To see the progress in the service you booked, select the Go to Messages button next to it. This will take you to the SacredBox messaging section, where you can engage directly with your provider. You can update your details in the My Profile section. And there you have it. Your dashboard is a powerful tool designed to keep your SacredBox experience both organized and efficient.